Welcome viewers. My topic of discussion today is IUPAC system of nomenclature for elements. IUPAC stands for International Union for Pure and Applied, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC stands for, it's the abbreviated term for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. And this IUPAC is pronounced as IUPAC. Now why this IUPAC system of nomenclature for elements we are reading? The problem arises when 104 element was found out and also 105. For 104, the name of the element 104 was claimed by two scientists, one from Russian side, the other from American side. Russian scientist said its name is Ku Kurchatov. And this element was claimed by both Russian scientists and American scientists. Hence, IUPAC has formulated a particular rule for naming elements after 100. Similar problem also we have found in case of 105, which was hanium. Now initially, when one element is found out, the credit either goes for naming the element to the scientist, to the discoverer who has found out, according to their own country or capital or city, whatever they like. But when a particular element was claimed by two different scientists from two different countries, the problem is what name will be given. So, IUPAC system is like this. Above all, it's not so easy because when a particular element is found out, very few milligram, a nanogram or nanomilligram of substance is to be isolated, and sophisticated instruments and expensive things are required. So, initially, IUPAC has formulated 0 to be written as nil, 1 on, 2 BI, 3 TRI, 4 quad, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 sept, 8 oct, 9, n. Now, the name of the element has to be ended up with iam. Let me tell you the name of the elements from 100 to 118. Now for 101, the name is, for 1 we shall write on, for 0 we shall write nil, for 1 we shall write on, and it has to be its ending as iam. So the name of the element is on, nil, onium according to IUPAC system. Similarly, for 102, it's on, nil, beyond. For 103, it is on, nil, trium. For 104, on, nil, quadium. For 105, is on, nil, pentium. 106, on, nil, axiom. 107, on, nil, septium. 108, on, nil, octium. 109, on, nil, ennium. 110, on, nilium. 111, on, onium. 112, on, bium. 113, on, trium. 114, on, quadium. 115, on, pentium. 116, on, axiom. 117, on, septium. And 118, on, octium. So far, 118 elements have been found out. So their naming, initially according to the IUPAC system, I have written here in the board. But later on, by isolating its atomic number, atomic volume, density, and all other properties, a particular name is approved by IUPAC and that name is given. For 118, the name is organization. OG. 101 is MD, Mendelevium, 102 each, NO, Nobelium, 103 each, Lawrencium, LR, 104, Rutherfordium, 105, Dubnium, 106, Seaborgium, Rutherfordium, Dubnium, Seaborgium, then Bohrium, then Hassium, then Meitnerium, and 110 is Roentgenium, 111 is Copernicium, 111 is Copernicium, 111, there is one mistake, 110 is Darmstadtium, DS, it is Roentgenium, RG, this is Copernicium, and 113 is Niobium NH, 114 is Flerovium FL, 115 Moscovium MC, and 116 Livermorium LV, 117 each, 10 C T, TS or TN, let it be TS, 10 C. So initially the name, when you are unable to get the name of the element, you have to remember the easy method for naming the elements, like 101 on-nil-anium, on-nil-bium, on-nil-trium, on-nil-quadium, on-nil-pentium, on-nil-hexium, on-nil-septium, on-nil-octium, on-nil-anium, on-nilium, on-anium, on-bium, on-trium, on-quadium, on-pentium, on-hexium, on-septium, on-octium. Because so far the last element is oganesson is OG, element of the zero group recently found out, and for 101 is Mendelevium, for 102 Nobelium, 103 Lawrencium, 104 Rutherfordium, 105 Dubnium, 106 Seaborgium, 107 Bohrium, 108 Hassium, 109 Meitnerium, 110 is Darmstadtium, 111 is Roentgenium, 112 is Copernicium, 113 is Niobium, 114 is Flerovium, 115 is Moscovium, 116 is it's Livermorium, and 117 Nasi, 10 Nasi, 180 is oganesson. So I have told you how the IUPAC system nomenclature is given, and up to 118 all the elements have been found out so far. So the naming of the element is also given, which was accepted by IUPAC system. I hope it's clear. IUPAC system and nomenclature. Thank you. If you have still any doubt, you can put me any question in the commentary section, or if you really like the way of teaching, then I hope you will subscribe. Thank you.